Millie is grooming Eddie.
She thinks Eddie's her baby. Is that your baby, Millie? What's that feel like, Eddie?
Odd.
Odd, huh?
She's been doing this for like 20 minutes.
Maybe the cat thinks you need a head wash. They don't like soap and stuff. She's trying to make you smell
Like her.
like her.
Oh, she just licked my eyelid.
Oh no.
Oh no.
She licked my face.
Oh man, you gotta wash your mouth. I don't have allergies.
I know.
Bad.
You don't know?
Loving the cat is one
Millie.
thing. You're gonna be hurting. That cat really loves you, huh? Look at that. She can't even do that to me.
Likey. You done? You done now? Good girl.
Show me your face.
You better wash him up though.